So creating layers can be done in Photoshop using 3 locations. Every time you create a layer, it's going to be created on top of the currently existing layer. You see we have a whole series of layers right here, and in the previous video you saw that we could reorganize, or we could turn the visibility of the layer on and off. So just be aware that when you select a layer, it will be highlighted, so you should know or become aware of which layer you're currently working with, because whatever layer is selected is the one that will be determined by Photoshop as far as what will be manipulated. So in order to manipulate an object or a layer, you have to make sure it is selected. But anyways, if we go up here to layer, the layer menu located on the main menu, we click on that, we go to new, you can select new layer, and from there you see we have new layer. We can label the layer. We can also use other things like the color. We can color code the layer. Right now we'll just leave it at none. We can also adjust the opacity and the blending options, or the blending mode, but currently we'll just leave this as it is and hit OK. And you see the Vader layer was selected, so when I created the new layer, every layer that you generate will always be placed above the currently selected layer. So this is what we see right here. To delete a layer from the main menu, you can go to layer and go down to delete and delete layer. It'll ask if you want to delete the layer. You can click don't show this again and hit yes. Say, of course I know I want to delete the layer, so that's why I selected that. So that is how you create a layer using the main menu. To use the actual layers panel, you use this icon located right here next to the trash can. We click on this little icon, you see, and then a new layer was generated. To delete the layer from the panel, we just make sure the layer we wish to delete is selected. We hit the trash can icon here, and then the layer will be deleted. If you wish to create a new layer from the menu in the panel, we click on this little icon right here, this set of 3 or 4 little lines. See, then we can go here, select create layer, which will give us this same menu. If we wish to delete that layer, we go here and go to delete layer. So the process of adding layers and deleting layers, now these are blank layers. Blank layers are good for generating a clean sheet when you can start drawing or painting or doing other things, but images can also be placed within blank layers. But that is the process of generating layers using these 3 points.